Products in Salesforce CPQ is a massive topic. We'll be spending considerable time looking at all the types of products. Products are classified into multiple types. The first one is product bundles. Followed by that, we have MDQ products, which actually means multi-dimensional code products. And then we have subscription-based products. And then we have evergreen products. And finally, we have usage-based products. We'll be looking at all of these types at greater depth as a part of this series. And let us get back to product bundles. Now, the first question that you might be thinking of is, what is the difference between standalone product as well as bundled product? In the quote line editor, when you add a standalone product, you'll only be seeing one entry here. So you will add one standalone product and you will only see one entry here. This particular product is not further subclassified into other subproducts. Simply put, there is no further subclassification. This is the end product. Whereas if you look at this here is a bundled product. You'll add this bundle, and this bundle is going to have bunch of other individual products, which are these. So in a bundled product, you will add the actual bundle. The bundle is going to have individual products within this. You will add the bundled product in the quote line editor, and you will also see the products of the bundle in the quote line editor. Also, there is one more interesting difference between standalone product as well as bundled product. Let me add a standalone product. I'm going to search for charger, and this time I'm going to add USB-C mag watch charger. Click on select. So from the product selection screen, once after I select a standalone product, I will be navigating back to the quote line editor. Whereas if I add a bundle product, let us see what happens. I'll search for laptop. I'm going to go ahead with 13-inch laptop. This here is a bundle product. Click on select. It is not going to take us back to the quote line editor. Rather, it is going to take us back to configure product screen. Here I can pick my choice from the available processors. Likewise, I can pick my choice from the available memory. I can also pick my choice from the available storage options. Eventually, when I click on save, I will be taken back to the quote line editor. So between the product selection screen and quote line editor, there will be one new screen to which we will be introduced, and that screen is called configure product screen, and that comes into picture only when we are working with bundled products. Simply put, bundled product is nothing but you'll have a bundle. It is going to have few subproducts within it. These are also individual product records. When you add a standalone product, you'll only see one entry, versus when you add a bundle, you'll be seeing the bundle as well as the subproducts of the bundle. The super duper important point here is these subproducts are also individual product records. Now the next question is, how do we create bundle products? And the answer is, the process that is used to create standalone products is exactly the same when it comes to creating bundled products as well. However, for bundled products, once after we create a product record, we'll be making few minor changes. Let me repeat this once again. When it comes to the process that we'll be following to create a bundled product, it is going to be exactly the same that we have used to create a standalone product. However, for bundled product, we'll be making some minor changes towards the end of the creation of the product record. So what I'm going to do is, I'll create both a standalone product as well as bundled product by taking some real world examples. Let me navigate back to products tab. Let me create a standalone product. This time, the name of the standalone product is going to be Apple Magic Mouse. I'm going to mark the product as active. You'll have something called product family. This is a pick list field on the product object. You can provide an apt value here. If you think the organization that you represent has got nothing to do with hardware, software, service, support, then you can go ahead to the product object. Followed by that, you can narrow down to the product family field. It is going to be a pick list field. You can modify this field. You can remove these entries and you can add your own entries and it will start reflecting here. For time being, I'm going to go ahead with hardware because the example that we have taken is Apple Magic Mouse Black. Let me give a product code to this. So this here is going to be AMMB01, and followed by that, you don't have to worry about rest of the other options. You'll find some interesting options here. Something like pricing method editable, price editable, cost editable. For time being, let's not worry about these fields when it comes to each and every field on the product object. Click on save. Just because we have created a product record, we cannot call it a day. We have to assign price to it. For that, let me navigate back to related. Scroll to the extreme bottom. You'll find this particular related list. Click on add standard price. Assign a price to this product. I'm going to give this as 99 bucks. Click on save. So a standalone product is created successfully. The next thing is I'm going to create a bundle product. For this, I'm going to take the example as MacBook Pro. So this here is going to be the name of the bundle, which is going to have subproducts. So step 1, I need to create a product. Followed by that, I need to create individual products for each and every item here. And then I'm going to make this as bundle product so that when user picks this particular product, you'll end up adding all these subproducts. So let me copy this. Go back to the products tab. Click on new product. Give this as the name of the product. I'll mark this as active. In fact, I'll move this to the end. I'll give product code to this. So this here is going to be MBP16. Product family is going to be hardware. You don't have to worry about rest of the other fields. Click on save. At the end of the day, what we have done is we ended up creating another standalone product. Now the next steps are, as mentioned earlier, I need to create multiple product records for each and every item here. And then I'll mark this as the bundled product and these as the subproducts so that when user picks this particular bundle, you'll end up adding all these subproducts. Let's take a hard stop here. We'll continue with this in the next episode. I'll call it a day. See you in the next one.